Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Guys, I am so super excited about this item that's in this bag. Um I'm so excited. I cannot wait to open this so that I can let you guys know the backstory behind it. But anyway, if you guys like anything that's bag related, whether it's luxury, contemporary, unboxing, review, comparison, doesn't matter what it is, this is the channel for you. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family. Also share this video with your loved one. Let them come join the family. All right, guys. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuous support. I love you guys, and let's get into this unboxing. Okay, guys. So while I'm opening this, I'm really trying to be careful so that because it has like my information on the one side and then on this side, the way it's, yeah, I'm trying to be careful. I don't want to mess this up. Anyway, guys, so this item is actually, let's see how I can open it because I don't want to use my box cutter because I definitely do not want to cut this item that's in this bag. All right, so let's see. Probably might just use it for just this section right here. Okay, guys. Okay, let's see. Oh, they package it is so good. Alrighty. Did I just open like the end? I probably did just open the end of the bag, but let's see if I can just get this part. Okay. I'm so trying to be careful not to cut any part of this bag. Alright, guys. So, ooh. Wow, they package is so good. But that's really good though. That's great customer service. Anyway, guys, so I'm not sure if you guys are going to guess what this is. Anyway, so this bag is actually a great find. Okay, this is a 21-year-old bag. It's a Louis Vuitton. Let me open this. Oh, this is really bubble wrap. That's good. Keep the secure of this bag intact. Sorry guys, it's taking so long, but they really packaged this. Oh my goodness. Yes, guys. So yes, so this is a rare Louis Vuitton find. This is the Louis Vuitton Epi Sac Verseau. I'm not even know how to pronounce the Verseau, I think, but I'll put the full name of the bag on the screen. All right, guys. So, guys, this bag actually came out in 2001. So a year after my little brother was born, that's when this bag was actually released. Isn't this bag beautiful? So anyway, I was able to snag this bag from there's a it's called Bag of Culture. They have an Instagram account where they do like live auctions and stuff like that. Guys, look at this bag. Look at even the ins. Oh, hold on, let me see. Sorry, the handle. And I'm just so super excited about it. The inside is dark, but look at it. It's like this bag is in such great condition. It don't even look like it was ever really even used, guys. Look. It has like a suede interior, but it's a dark suede interior. And then it has this flap right here. So this flap actually is like a magnetic flap right here. So it kind of like you just probably gonna wipe it down, or like I probably might take it to just to get it like just reglazed and stuff. But oh my god, guys, look at it. So you literally snap it in place. See, that's how you see it right here. But look, guys, look at this beauty. I think what really got me when I was looking at it, because I really wasn't even going to get anything, just the handle, guys. Look at the handle. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful, and it's an epi leather, guys. Guys, look. So obviously, guys, I did buy this pre-love. It was for a steal, okay? This bag is so beautiful. I just love the shape of the bag. It's like the bucket bag, but in such a tall. I don't even know how to describe it, guys. But I'm just so amazed on just the quality of the bag, guys. Look how good looking this bag is, guys. Look at this. And it has the Louis Vuitton logo right here, which is like so hidden in the material. Unless you know what it is, you won't know what it is. But guys, this is a 21-year-old bag. It was released in 2001. Yes, 2001 bag, guys. And it is in such great condition. Like right there, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Like I literally, it seemed like it's like a brand new bag. Like the person that probably had this barely used it. The only thing that I really even see here, let me see. I think I saw like a little, right here. That's like the only blenishment that I see. And it looked like it can even probably come off. It's like a little paint or something. I'm not sure. I don't want to, let me see. Yeah, it looked like it's like a little paint, if you guys can see it. But that's the only blemishment. But everything else, guys, look at that. Look right here. Look at the handles. Like, I just think this is so beautiful. Like, this is what got me into this is what attracted me to buy this bag. And then just the style of the bag, guys. Like, guys, isn't this beautiful? This is a 21-year-old. This is a vintage Louis Vuitton piece. Like, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love like the newer pieces, but sometimes it's great to have a piece of like a designer house design. Like this is so beautiful coming in 2000, like what, 2001 as I stated. And it's so relevant today because it's like the bucket style. So all of these new house, even with Louis Vuitton, they're coming out with like different style bucket bag. So imagine this is what they had imagined in 2001 as more of like a bucket bag kind of situation. And now just look at even when they made like they have all of their different bucket bag, like the Noe and all of those things. I don't really like those bags. I just feel like this just has such like a feminine kind of silhouette. Guys, look at this beauty. This is so beautiful. Like I'm so super excited, guys. Oh my God. I just wanted to unbox this and just show you guys literally like, isn't this beautiful? Like, I don't even know how to describe it. Like, you have the magnetic closure right here, and the magnet is still like strong. Like I felt like it was going to be like not strong. And then you do have like one zipper pocket, but beside that it's just like an open space with like suede. I'm sorry about that. It's an open pocket with like suede material inside or microfiber, but then the handle is like right here, which is connected to the side. I don't even think that comes off. Yeah, it doesn't come off, but that's really it, guys. Like everything else, like this bag is in such great condition, guys. Like I'm so super excited to have this in my collection. OMG. I cannot wait. I think it might come off. I gotta look in it, but it just have like the button like holding on the right here, the strap. But anyway, guys, so this is the video today. I just wanted to do this quick unboxing video of this beauty right here. This is the Louis Vuitton Epi Sac Verseau. I think that's how they pronounce it, but please do not come for me. I don't speak French. But anyway, guys, this is the video for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.